Assalamualaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Welcome to my Tech Ahmer YouTube channel. Today in this video we discuss about what is disability insurance and how does it work. So let's start the video. First of all, you click on your browser. When you click your browser, this page will be opened. You just click in the search bar and search what is disability insurance. When you search what is disability insurance, the website page will be opened. You just scroll down and click in this website what is disability insurance, the definition and how it protects yourself. When you click this website, the page will be opened of what is disability insurance. As its name suggests, disability insurance is the type of insurance product that provide income that you have to event of policy holders and prevent it from of working and earning an income due to disability. In the United States, individual can obtain disability insurance form of the government throughout social security system that can also purchase disability insurance form of private insurance. How disability insurance work? Off-time insurance product will protect against a specific clauses such as when a property and costly insurance plan remembrance of policy holders for the value of stolen property. However, in the cases of disability insurance, the compensation related the income of caused by disability. For example, if the worker earned $50,000 per year prior to becoming disabled, if you have their disability prevented from of continuing to the work and their disability insurance would be constrained of them and portion of your lost income provided that have qualified the scenes of disability insurance essentially covers of the opportunity cost of the now disabled worker. In the practices, there are many conditions that you have to policy holders must satisfying in the order of receive these payments. This is particularly true to regard and US social security system. To qualifying the government sponsored disability insurance applicants and have to prove their disabilities and several of the prevented them from engaging types of meaningful work at all. By contrast, some of private plans that require only applicants demonstrated that have to own longer continues to the some link work and were previously engaged in. The social security system also require applicants and demonstrate that their disability is expected to last of the at least 12 months on the that it will be expected in the result in death. All the types of insurance, disability insurance plans will be carry more expensive premium if there are the term of condition are more favorable that you have to policy holder conventionally plans with the less generous terms and typically carry the lower insurance premium. Some of the key features that affected insurance premium in disability insurance plan include the length of elimination period, which is the length of that and applicants must be have wait for after becoming disabled before carry begin receiving benefit. The benefit period, which is how long to the benefit continue to the paid and how strict by definition of disabilities under the policy. Real world example of disability insurance are rough estimated disability insurance typically cost about 2% of the annual salary and the person being insured. Of course, the actual amount will be dependent on the insurance and carrier to the policy features such as the discussed above different individual, different professions and terms how much to have to willing the pay exchange together poor and protection for potential disability. The illustrate consider to the hypothetical worker. Worker is a professional working with the highly specialized field. It took worker in the 10-year past of secondary education become of the qualified their field and this is allowed to the term and generate a relatively large income $25,000 per year. Worker B on the other hand and high school granted to the regularly switches between jobs and earn about $30,000 per year. Trade on to go anywhere anytime. One of the world's largest crypto assisted exchange is ready for you. Enjoy competitive fees and deductibilities, customer support while trading securely. You will be also have to access finance tools and make sure to easier that to view your trade history, manage your investment, view prices chart and make conversation for the zero fees. Make an account for free, join millions of the tradition and inventors. Social security explanation, how does it work and types of benefit. Social security provide benefit retired, survivor and disabled worker. How much you have to receive depend on your age and income. A group of health insurance plan of offer coverage to a lower premium and individual plan as valuable of the employers and company or organizations. Worker compensation is the government mandated program that the types of benefit worker who become injured or disabled. Red distinct benefit of the provided disability insurance that provide the policyholder, which is the part of total benefit outlined in the policy. A benefit period is the length of time during which is the insurance policyholder to other and dependent on the file of received payment and covered event. Disability income DI insurance and works. Disability insurance provides supplementary income for events and illness of accident prevented in the insured from the working.